If you are like a broke college student and you don't have a lot of makeup products, you don't have a lot of money, this video is for you. I'm gonna give you a beginner makeup routine because there's no reason why you're gonna look like this picture of James Charles. No excuse. You can find the link of all these products in the description box. So let's get right into the video. So first broke college student tip is gonna be to use Vaseline, which is less expensive. It lasts so much longer than your Hydro Grip primer. Let me show you guys how good this is. This is from Echo. So I cleaned it especially for this video. You're really gonna base your eyebrows in this product, and it's gonna be so much easier to do it because you've already formed it. Mine are done. If yours are not done, make sure that these are in the desired shape that you need them to be in. It look a little bit more natural. So as you can see, I have a hole right here in my brow, so that's what we're gonna try to hide. I have 2 palettes of makeup, 1 angle brush, and a dream. This is a Makeup Revolution, the palette Flawless 4. Either use the shade. We're gonna fill my eyebrows. We're gonna start on the end so the excess of product can go towards the end, and we're gonna press the rest so we can apply a minimum of product in the front. You see, it's already being a little better. You're taking this, I'm using Juvia's Place. This is actually so inexpensive. This is crazy. And a really angled brush. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm doing this. What the influencers used to do when I was little, like the beauty gurus. Mommy, I made it. I'm sorry. This is the Juvia's Place concealer. A little bit. Like you have to put all the product in your hand and make sure you line up where your eyebrows stand. This is the part where you have to have the most concealer under the brow and hide the little brow pieces and up the brow. The person who is gonna do the edit of the video, can you please do it before and after? Thank you. So this is a pro tip. You can take your loose powder. Mine is also from Juvia's Place. Like this much. Tap, 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 tap. And then you're lightly pressing it on your face. Greasy skin, this is the best tip for you. But if you have like a dry skin, don't do it as much. You can do it, but don't do it as much. I'm insisting especially on the T-zone, the places where I tend to be more greasy. So we're gonna take our foundation. Mine is from Maybelline and it's the 360 Mocha. I'm focusing on the edges of my face, like this area, like from here to here, and I'm gonna bring it at the center of my face because the center of my face needs to be light. So first, I'm gonna blend the edges out, bringing a little bit to the inside of my face. Do the same for the top. Bring it to the inside of my face. Because the last thing you want is your makeup to not be well blended. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'll be right back. Apply a little bit to my neck and my collarbones. Concealer, but not this one. This one, which is a little lighter. And as you can see, it's almost done. I don't know what shade it is. GC983. I'm applying it on the corner of my nose. Your skin a lifted appearance. So from this part, I'm just gonna put a little bit more. Because if you put too much makeup at the center of your under eye on this specific area, you are gonna have so much creasing. So this is what I'm doing. I'm actually stopping there. I'm applying a little there, just a little. I'm gonna do here. Being aware of the amount, I'm gonna stop and let you focus on the amount of concealer I've applied to my face. I'm gonna take a clean sponge or whatever, and I'm actually gonna melt it. I've been talking for 1 minute, and this is for the concealer to dry out a little bit. For the next step, I'm going to take my Juvia's Blaze. Again, it's a concealer, but I use it as a contour stick because it's way cooler than my skin tone. You know, I use it as because we're broke. Tip number 2, when you're applying your makeup, especially if it's darker than your actual skin, you have to apply it to the corners of your face. The inside of your face should be lighter than everything else. Brush or the puff is only gonna do the job for you in bringing it to the inside of your face. Just trust in the tool. This is the closest I can do, guys. I'm gonna mold my nose like I want it to be. Blend. This is actually a powder by Black Opal. I lost the cap. I mean, the cap is right here, but it's no longer attached. Gonna take some, apply it to the part where I'll apply the contour. Displays, but you can take any color that looks like this. I'm taking this, like that. Taking a little bit. This is not necessary. We said no harsh lines, so we're respecting what we said. And now, I'm taking the same powder I applied at the beginning of the video. I'm applying this powder where I've applied the concealer. I recently discovered a secret about this palette. It's called The Chocolate by Juvia's Blaze. So I was editing when I realized that I lost the last footage where I was explaining and showing to you the secret about the Juvia's Blaze makeup palette. I'm gonna reveal it right now. This shade, I apply it on my skin and it gives my skin this natural, brightening, shining from the inside type of look. It melted into my skin. And do you see the shimmer? Do you see? And I am so happy I discovered that secret and I wanted to share it with you guys. Hi! So this is what it's giving after applying a little bit more warmth to the face. I'm giving you variety. For the grand finale, swooping the heck out of my feet, okay? And rewarding myself for every minor task I accomplish. I'm redoing them. Like, I'm putting a little more product since if mine faded. Doing something extra that was unnecessary. Hold it. That's it. That's all I'm gonna do. Use the same color into your lip. If you are overlining your lips, only overline the middle part of it. Blush blindness is a myth and society doesn't like you. So you might as well have blush blindness instead of not having self-awareness. LA Girl Pro Face. If you want, you can always use a mascara. It has been a pleasure for me to record it for you, and